How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about the trades we took today inside Team Bull, kind of give you my thought process behind them, and it was a big, big day. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right to this. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you're well aware of my data trading strategy. I like to trade this when we have big data like we did this morning, like CPI. So basically what it is, I like to see a nice push up. It works pushing down too, but for this trade, we're going to talk about how it pushed up. And a beautiful push up, and that's exactly what I want to see off data. I want to see it push up, hold that level pre-market, even climb some more pre-market, as long as it holds up towards pre-market highs. Then what I want to see right after open, this is the opening 5-minute candle here. I want to see this push back up right to or right at or a slight break above pre-market highs. And that's where I like to go short with puts and play the move back down. So now let's talk about the trade we actually took. We pushed up here. I told everyone inside Team Bull live. This is live trading. There is no hiding any of this. I said I'm starting my position here. If we push up to this 415 area, I'll add to it. Unfortunately, I never got my complete fill at that 415. I started my position here and we caught this beautiful move down here. My last sale was at 80% in profits. Beautiful day trade. And that's what I like to call a 10-minute workday, right? 10 minutes worth of trading, and we could have been done, but we wasn't. We caught another beautiful trade over here. We come up, bounce, come back up, retesting this area, this big sell-off candle. A lot of orders left unfilled. I was waiting for us to come back up, retest for a possible second entry we put. And that's exactly what happened. I got in right about here. Once I seen some nice signs of reversal here on the 5-minute, you can see it on other time frames as well. Waited on the sign of a reversal. We got in, I believe it was around this area here, this 413.2, and we caught this move down. 50% plus trade. Beautiful day inside Team Bull. Very happy with my execution on the trades. Could have held this one a little longer, but I was in full scout mode. I did not want to give back any of my profits from this big run down here. And now let's talk about another trade I could have taken. I did not take it because I like to, 1 to 2 trades is typically all I take. Occasionally, I will take 3, but when I have 2 winning trades in a row, I'm happy. I'm done for the day. I do not want to give back profits. I see a lot of traders, you'll have a good morning, they'll catch a nice trade, be well in profits, and they'll turn around, overtrade, give back all the profits, then some. That's just not me. I like to think that I'm at a point in my trading career where I can control this, and I do a great job at it. Honestly, one thing I can brag on myself about. I do not overtrade often. But now let's talk about this 410.2. This is a level you all are familiar with if you watch my Instagram live. I go live on Instagram every single morning. But I called this one out live on voice as well. I told them, I said, I'm not taking it, but we're at this 410.2, and it's a very nice support on SPX as well. Some members took this and had a nice scalp here as well. Just one of them days where everything goes your way. Really respected technicals today. Just a good day all around. But that's all I have for this video. As always, I appreciate you all for watching. Very thankful for all my subscribers. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Really helps me out. And turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss out on this free education. I make videos all the time for you all. I do recaps. I drop special videos where I walk you through, certain trading strategies or show you how to do things. And I provide everyone with a weekly watch list. Every Sunday, I drop my favorite setups for the week, give you my game plan. That way, we're prepared when the week starts. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.